I am Ratnakar MBTM under registration number EG20204162. Today I will present my Kafka order processing system. This system uses Kafka, Zookeeper, Schema Registry, Docker, Avro, and Java. In this demonstration, I will show how orders are produced, consumed, retried, and how failed messages go to the DLQ. This system has several parts. Zookeeper. Zookeeper manages the coordination. Kafka broker handle messages publishing and subscribing. Schema registry stores the Avro schema. This is the Avro schema. There are three fields: order ID, product, and price. Also, in here, I am using three classes: order producer class. This is order producer class. Order consumer class. This is order consumer class. In here, I apply retry mechanism. We will see later. Also, in here, I am using order DLQ consumer class. Producer creates random orders and send them to the orders topic. Consumer reads the orders and calculates the running average price. If the message fails, the consumer retries it. After three failed attempts, the message is sent to the order DLQ topic. The DLQ consumer reads failed message for review. Let's set up the infrastructure for the run this project. First, I start Zookeeper, Kafka Broker, Schema Registry, and Kafka UI using Docker. For that, I want to run this command. Yeah, Zookeeper, Kafka Broker, Schema Registry, Kafka UI services are running. Next, I start the producer, the main consumer, and the DLQ consumer. For that, I want to run this command. All services are running. We can see using Docker Desktop as well. All services are running here. Now let's see the topics as well. For that, we want Kafka UI. In here, Kafka UI running on 8082 port. And we can see in Kafka UI topics, consumers and registries, schema registry. Under topics, we can see two topics, order DLQ topics. And also we can see number of messages of each topic. Under orders, it shows as 182 messages, and under orders DLQ shows as 221 messages. Let's see the schema registry. This is schema registry we talked earlier, and the consumers are also serving here. Now let's see the project output in the using terminals. So that we want run commands. Let's see the producer log. For that I want to run this command, and we can see producer logs. The producer generates a new order every 10 seconds. Each order includes an order ID, product name, and random price. It sends these as error messages to the order topic. Let's see the consumer logs. For that, I want run this command. In here, serving consumer logs. Here, the consumer reads each order, which prints the order details and update the running average prices. So every new order will change the average. In here, apply retry mechanism. We can see using order consumer as well. In here, I use retry mechanism. Also, I applied failed. If the failed, what happened? In here, if the price is greater than 80, it fails. We can see using terminal as well. If the average is greater than 80, that is 93, it's failed, and apply retry items. There are three retry items: retry 1, retry 2, and retry 3. After 3 attempts, it's sent to the DLQ as we can see using DLQ possible as well. Let's see the logs. In here, showing DLQ consumer logs. This is the project end. Thank you.